Pero nabanggit nga natin, no, to si Ochavo, outplaying Sean Orgo so far. Kahit 2 points lang si Ochavo, he's doing a lot of things like with 3 assists and 5 rebounds. Or the other way around, sorry.
And again, forcing another miscue. Smart Sports starting 5, Luciano, Pagsanhan, Kinyal, Loristo, Ochavo, the 5 on the floor for EAC. Siya ngayon ang umuhol. Mintes, battle for the ball. Orgo tried to save it. Ochavo.
Gandang matchup to, no, between Orgo and si Ochavo. Parang dalawang bantamweight boxers.
Right. Oh my goodness! Moves up by 2. Smart Power No Plays brought to you by Smart Power All 99. Get 8 gigabytes of all access data. Only TikTok and only all net, call and text for 7 days. Load now. JP, this time it's a miss. Chavo on the left side. Luciano steps in, knocks down a 3. Let's talk about sticking to the system, and here see that shot coming from Luciano. Villa, entry pass broken up there by the Generals. Ochavo pulls back. Chris na naman para dito kay Oftana.